we have a total budget of 41.4 million. This total budget of our barangay is breakdown into the National Mass Allotment or NPA or gibawag na ito sa una na era. So we have an allocation of 31.1 million. Then we also have the other fund which having a total of 13.3 million. So atong isuma total mga total budget na sa barangay that will come up with 41.4 million pesos. So, in our barangay, in our finance, ako ang nagbawa ninyo, mga kaisunan, that this year, we received the financial assistance coming from our city government, initiated by our former mayor and now our congressman, Junior Kahong Chan, naghatag na nato financial assistance on matang barangay gidagan of 1 million pesos as assistance para sa cultural and other services. Gilungagan ka of another 500,000 or half million which is intended for the Sunset Festival ay ipaygayon and we also have the financial assistance coming from our Vice Mayor Sidilonga or another Vice Mayor Sikoy na nagkatidad of 15,000 which we allocated sa sports equipment para sa mga pagkakunan. So all in all, ang atong nagawad ng financial assistance worth 1,515,000 pesos. Now, in terms of allocation, ato ng pangaton, ato ang total budget, mag-allocate pa o 55% para sa personal services, ato ang development fund.